Hello guys, I am Kanak and you are watching Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you how to make boiled rice. Boiled rice is rich in starch and keeps our body cool. So today's session is for the people who are going into the kitchen for the first time and find hard time even to cook some perfect boiled rice. Heat olive oil in a wok. Soak the rice at least for 1 hour and then drain the excess water. Put rice in it. I have used Basmati rice. If you want, you can use your regular rice also. Give it a toss very softly so that the grains doesn't break. Now add salt to it. And now add water. This is the most important step to keep in mind. For every 1 cup of rice, you need at least little more than 1.5 cup of water or less than 2 cups. Because that will make your rice perfect. Keep it on high flame for at least 10 minutes and then lower the flame for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Once the rice comes to boil and it has taken most of the water, cover it with a lid on low flame for at least 10 minutes. Now open the lid and check. It is almost cooked, just give it a toss. Some more water is there, so we can just keep it on low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then you will come to know whether it's cooked or not. Now open the lid and check. All the water has gone. Now this is the perfect rice we want. Every grain has its own entity. Close the flame and serve it. Now this is my perfectly cooked boiled rice. You can flavor this with jeera to make jeera rice. If you want, you can just put some finely chopped vegetables and make fried rice out of it. And you can put some spices and make masala rice out of it. This is a staple food of India and it goes very well with any kind of curries. I hope you like this dish, and if you have any ideas regarding this, feel free to share your views in the comment section below. Also hit the like button and do subscribe to Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.